Dito tayo mga B sa Seabrook Waterfront District. So, ito yan siya mga B. Papasok tayo dito. Are we gonna get inside, my love? Okay. So, here you go. Oh.
It's a market. That's a market.
Oh, wow. Wholesale, retail. So, I will see there. Which
A big one here. Probably more expensive. And they got one over there.
Which one?
Golden seafood over here. That's a seafood place.
Oh yeah, there's a tilapia. Yellow tuna. Wow, waterfront.
Each one of them is a seafood market.
Oh, nice.
Wholesale and retail shrimp.
They have salmon, tilapia. Tilapia from
This one's pretty good here.
here, Emery's.
I've been to both of these. Never been to that one down there.
So we'll check.
Another one right there. They got a sale going.
Oh. It's, you know what, mga B? It's nice here because when you said fish market, if it's like in our place, it's like a wet market, but here it's different. It seems like different stores, different building. So here you go mga B. Andito na tayo. So check natin sa loob. Yeah, Asians are, maraming Asian dito mga B, at isa na po ako doon. So let's check inside. Let's go. I think this one, and then where's the other one? Is it from tilapia is from seawater or just from the water?
Seawater.
Seawater. But I like milk fish too. This one I like.
One.
Only one. It's
I want clean
huh?
only.
Oh, you clean. Just clean. That one I'll make.
You feel right too.
Huh? You have ice cream?
You feel right too. Those for $12.
So yun mga Tapos na kami. Ito yung namin yung nabili. Yeah. Ang ganda dito kasi naka-elevator. Ayan o. Dito na. Elevator kami mga B. Ay. Thank you, sir. Hindi ba? Ang dami rin nila dito mga abi. Have you done? You did? Okay. Slapia. We have it done in the house. Seafood bowl. All are Louisiana when it comes to seafood, no? Seasoning Louisiana, no?
I'm upset thinking.
Oh yeah. Louisiana. I don't have this. Ay, it's okay. I have that there. So, ayan mga B. Tumingin lang kami dito. And tingnan niyo mga B, gusto ko ipakita yung view. Oh. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Ang ganda, 'di ba mga B? Ano pa 'yan? Tawag neto. Hindi siya high tide, low tide. So, ayan, 'di ba? Yan ang view mga B. So, ayan. Here. I'll just show them the view from here. It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so puntahan pala namin mga B para talaga makita natin yung view.
Expensive places over here.
Here? Or maybe because it's because we're in the beach, closer to the beach. Even in the Philippines.
This is the bay.
Bay? Ah, bay. So, ayan mga B. Puntahan natin to. Yung asawa ko nandun.
Good lunch. Yes, okay, right here.
Have a good day. So, check natin dito mga yung place. I'll show you here mga B. Para talagang close up yung ating pag video. Oh? What? Here? Babe, what do you call like that? All the birds. There I saw some birds.
Yeah.
What are those birds?
Bird out there.
Oh yeah, what is it?
Pelican.
What's the name?
Pelican.
Pelicans?
White head,
Yeah.
got a big mouth, big throat.
Yeah.
Eat live fish.
So, ayan mga B, meron ditong mga birds. Kung nakikita nyo doon banda mga B o dyan. Ano siya sa mga ang tawag dyan, ayan o. Mga pelican birds.
Buildings out here.
Ayun o.
Watch them
Yeah.
all out.
Nakatayo sila mga B sa dito sa mga ano na tuwod na to mga B. Ayan o, nakita nyo doon. May dalawa, ay tatlo pa nga. Tapos, ang ganda ng sunflowers nila dito mga B. Tumutubo lang siguro to.
That place you could walk out.
Oh, yeah.
They built this after the hurricane.
Oh, okay.
The water surged.
So it's really nice mga B, oh, no? I was really amazed those pelican birds over there. Maybe they're just waiting for to catch food.
Oil rigs out there, see them?
Huh?
Oil rigs.
Oh yeah, on that side, on there.
Yeah, the production
So
platform.
tiny.
Production platform. Like,
Were you working or no?
I don't work on the production platform anymore, but I used to.
Oh.
My boat.
That's why I'm so very curious to go to your workplace.
Yeah, you wanna go to my boat.
Huh?
Before.
You can bring me there just for 2 days by vacation.
Before.
Huh?
And drive back to what was left.
For vacation. So, ayan mga B.
Those rubber boots, you ready to go to work. Get all the dirt, bugs and shit.
What bugs? From
I
work?
washed my windshield twice coming home.
Oh yeah.
All the bugs.
A few moments later.
pretty bird.
Where do you go?
Oh, this one good. A line here. It's not too big here. But expensive.
They'll cook it for you. They'll cook it for you. About Cameron's, salvage yard. It's kind of next door to our neighborhood.
Oh, okay. My property is just before they called it County Road 59.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now they changed it into I think Magnolia or something.
Ah, oh yeah, parang I
There is only people there before. You know what? When we moved there, there's only one blinking light along 518.
Yeah.
Only one blinking light. Now it's not.
Oh yeah.
I did.
Yeah,
I watched
it is.
it grow
I'm so
up.
proud of it. Yeah.
Highway 6 used to be a 2-lane blacktop.
Oh yes. Before you can drive it, like all those buildings there now, those are establishment. Those are all farm. You can only see horse and cows. And now,
I used to hunt all back
oh,
on 518.
Nice to meet you, Mama Ruby.
yeah, kumain ka.
Hello.
Ay,
Yeah.
Ruby lang ako.
Okay lang po. Nice to meet you po.
Same here. Okay, be safe and God bless you guys.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you po. Can I hug you?
Yeah, sure. Sure. God bless you guys.
Thank you po. God bless. Hello po. Hello. Yeah, yeah. Huh?
That was nice.
Yeah, she's so nice. She's so kind.
Upstairs.
Huh?
I wonder what's upstairs.
Where we going there? Upstairs?
That's where we see. I guess there's more places to eat.
Oh yeah.
Here, they
Huh?
think somebody lives up there.
No, it's still the same, I think.
I just want to go out here.
You wanna see there too? She gave me a piece of advice.
Yeah.
What's it there?
I'm not cleaning it.
It's not open, I think.
Smells good cooking.
Smells good.
Been here a long time.
Ganda dito mga bi, oh. Meron silang parang fish pond here. I think this is not open yet, babe. There's a birds over there, oh mga bi.
And the day with a pressure cooker.
Nice. This is how it looks like here on the other side of Seabrook. Hello, kitten. How are you doing?
Not for your work.
Oh, here, I think he's looking for food.
Yeah, he's looking for food.
Dito na kami sa sasakyan. Going home. So, yan. Medyo mainit na ngayon mga binasa. 93 Fahrenheit. It's hot outside. God. First time ko talaga dito nakapasyal. Dito sa area na yun. Dito sa Seabrook Market.
Meanwhile,
It's I pay for 33 $6.58. Because per pound is $6.69. So 5 pounds ito. So nabayaran ko is 33.
They ain't gonna need it no more.
Yeah, that's why. But it will, you know, matatagal din naman siya. Kasi itong isang squid, ano lang to eh, 1.40 pounds. So, ano lang, $5.59 ito siya. Ayan. Ito gagawin kong calamaris kasi favorite niya asawa ko to eh. Yan ang calamaris. Masarap na talaga ang calamaris. Tapos, bumili ko na ako nitong Red Sniper na puro ano lang. Red Sniper na puro ulo lang mga B. Ano to siya? 4 na piraso is ang nabayaran ko is $7.84. Kasi 3.94 pounds to ito lahat. Tsaka hiniwa-hiwa na nila mga B. Marami na siya. Marami na ano yun. I-freezer ko siya para kahit i-freezer siya mga B, diba? Pag itinola natin, yung nating soup, masarap pa din siya. Kasi fresh na din. Tapos ito yung ating malaking, wow, milkfish. Magkano to? It's, oh my goodness, 3.55 pounds. $10.61 ito. Isang buong ganito mga B. At least, tinanggalan na nila ng hiniwaan. Anuin ko yan, tatadain. Pero hindi na ako bibili sa ano mga. Hot. Ay, hot food. Kasi ito yung tumpan ng mga B. 2 piraso binili ko. Kasi, 5 pounds, ano eh. Ewan ko ilang pounds ko. Sa 2 piraso. 3.74 pounds. Ang nabayaran ko is $8.66. Cooper, no! That's for Papa! No! Don't do that! I told you, Papa get angry with you. Huh? No, this is not for you. This is not for Cooper. You stop. Okay? This one ang pampanong mga biyo. Ayan siya. 2 piraso. Si Cooper naman, ano ba yan, Cooper? Tapos ito yung ating huwagang tilapia. Maganda ito mga B kasi yung tilapia nila dito is galing sa dagat. Okay. Ang nabayaran ko is $8.81. So, ito yung mga biyo pa. 3 piraso malalaki. Masarap to pag prito tsaka inihaw. And then last, but not the least, hot. Here we go. Here's the plunder. Here's the $25. This big list. This mga big. $25. This one. There's the plunder mga biyo. Looks like that. It's a plunder. As big as that mga biyo. Ta-da-da! $25.32 babe. 4 pounds. 4.25. Oh, no! Stop it! So, yun lang mga nagligaw pa. Wala na pala. Ang lamig. Bago ko ilagay ito sa freezer mga bino, ang gagawin ko is hiwa-hiwain ko muna siya. Hiwain. Kasi hindi ko naman siya pwedeng ilagay ng ganitong buo sa freezer kasi mahirap na to pag pag maayos na siya. At least kung ano lang yung lulutuin mo, yun lang dapat, di ba? We're gonna put the ice here in the sink. It's okay?
Yeah, I can take it outside, dump it whatever you want.
Oh, okay. I have something to do with this. Okay. Mga B, wait lang ha. Itatapon ko lang. Balikan ko kayo later. Okay. Bye muna. Mga B. Tapos ito yung ating red fish. Yung puro ulo na nabili ko. Ito siya mga B, oh. Sarap to eh. Ito lahin. Ayan. Meron ako dyan. Okay. One. Yan lang. Three. Ito, four. Yan yung anuhin ko mga big. Abe. 1, 2. Ayan. Parang laki naman itong iba. Yan, 4. Kasya 4. So, bali kasi 4 na piraso to tas hiwa, 8 na pieces. So, ngayon, magluluto ako ngayon, magtitinola ako ng 4 na hiwa. And then yung the rest na 4, isi-save ko yun for the next, diba? So, ako na yung isang ka-free. Kasi ano naman to, nabili namin siya, fresh pa talaga mga. Kikita mo naman sa tsura niya. Tapos, itong ating tilapia. Ito siya. Tcharan! Ito. Yan. Ito yung iba. Yan lang naman. Wait lang ha. Isa na lang dito. Ito, pinirito siguro to. Lagyan na lang natin ang isa pa. Para tatlo. Sakto pinirito. Prito lang to. Tapos yung iba na itong mga ganito. Ito yung aking ipaksiw. Pero itong ulo, ito yung ito ko. Preserve pa rin talaga siya kasi fresh pa siya. Sabi kasi ng yelo nilagay. Ice nilagay. Kami pang ice. So, yan. So, ditong, ilagay na natin, bilangin natin mga B. 1, 2, 3 pack na tilapia, 3, 4, 5, 6, bali 3 pumpano, 6, ang ating bangus, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tatlo rin yung bangus, isa yung ating red fish. So, ito na yung mga B. Ilalagay ko muna to sa freezer. Tapos meron pa ako ditong dalawa. Ito yung pinakamalaki natin ito. Ito rin ito. Tapos yung ating shrimps. Ating shrimps. So, balikan ko muna kayo mga biha. Bye-bye! So, ito na yung ating tinolang redfish mga bi. Luto na siya. Kunti nga lang yung aking malunggay dahil yun lang yung meron sa aking garden. Hindi pa talaga siya yumabong. So, anyway, pwede na rin yan. Masarap na rin yan mga bi. So, ayan. Kakain na tayo. Bon appetit! Let's eat na mga bi. Nakaluto na ako dun sa aking tinola. So, ito na siya, oh. Ito yung kaya tsura. Yan. Nilagyan ko pala siya ng siling haba. Tapos, onion leeks. Of course, yung ating lemongrass. Tanglad ba? Unya, akong ipotangan na, oh, kamatis. O atong gamay ra na kuan mga bi. Malunggay. Fresh from our garden. Ito, kunti lang kasi ang tumubo pa sumigol pa eh. Masarap siya mga bi. Hangang-anghang konti. Kasi napisa ko yung isang siling haba. Red fish. Alam ko sa tinola mga bi, favorite na part ng isda, gusto ko yung sa may ulo banda. Kasi alam mo yung mata niya, gusto ko yun, nakain ko yun. Pero mga bi, dito kasi hindi nila kinakain yung pag-isda mga bi, hindi nila kinakain yung mga may ulo. Banda. Hindi nila sinasali pagluto. Kaya ang ginagawa ko mga bi, hiniwalay ko yung ulo, tapos ako na lang kakain nun. Ang sabaw. Kaya nalola nakakain ng tinola. Tsaka fresh pa kasi talaga siya mga bi. Dito kasi ang luto lang ng isda nila is broiled, grilled, fried, or baked, mga ganyan lang. Wala silang mga sabaw-sabaw ba. Hindi ko alam kung kakain yung asawa ko nito. Tapos yung puset, ginaya ko na kasi wala ko siyang lutuin after ko kumain. Sarap mo, Mer. Okay naman. So, ubusin ko muna mga biha. Balikan ko kayo. Bye!